JB and I are almost 13, twins, 2 basketball goals at opposite ends of the court. Identical. It's easy to tell us apart, though. I'm an inch taller with dreads to my neck. He gets his head shaved once a month. I want to go to Duke. He flaunts Carolina blue. If we didn't love each other, we'd hate each other. He's a shooting guard. I play forward. JB's the second most phenomenal baller on our team. He has a better jumper, but I'm the better slasher and much faster. We both pass well, especially to each other. To get ready for the seasons, I went to 3 summer camps. JB only went to 1, said he didn't want to miss Bible school. What does he think, I'm stupid? Ever since Kim Bazemore kissed him in Sunday school, he's been acting all religious, thinking less and less about basketball and more about girls. At the end of warm-ups, my brother tries to dunk. Not even close, JB. What's the matter? The hoop too high for you? I snicker, but it's not funny to him, especially when I take off from center court, my hair like wings, each lock lifting me higher and higher like a 747. Zoom, zoom, clink. I throw down so hard the fiberglass trembles. Booyah, Dad screams from the top row. I'm the only kid on the team who can't do that. The gym is a loud, crowded circus. My stomach is a roller coaster. My head a carousel. The air heavy with the smell of sweat, popcorn, and the sweet perfume of mothers watching sons. Our mom, a.k.a. Dr. Bell, a.k.a. the assistant principal, is talking to some of the teachers on the other side of the gym. I'm feeling better already. Coach calls us in, does his Phil Jackson impression. Love ignites the spirit, brings teams together, he says. JB and I glance at each other, ready to bust out laughing, but Vondi, our best friend, beats us to it. The whistle goes off. Players gather at the center circle, dap each other, pound each other. Referee tosses the jump ball. Game on. The sportscaster. JB likes to taunt and trash talk during games like Dad used to do when he played. When I walk onto the court, I prefer silence so I can watch, react, surprise. I talk too, but mostly to myself. Like sometimes I do my own play-by-play in my head. Josh's play-by-play. It's game 3 for the 2-0 Wildcats, number 17. Vondi Little grabs it. Nothing little about that kid. The Wildcats have it. First playoff of the game. The hopes are high tonight at Reggie Lewis Junior High. We destroyed Hoover Middle School last week, 32-4, and we won't stop, can't stop till we claim the championship trophy. Bondi overhead passes me. I fling a quick chest pass to my twin brother, JB, number 23, a.k.a. the jumper. I've seen him launch it from 30 feet before. All net. That boy is special. And it doesn't hurt that Chuck Demand Bell is his father, and mine too. JB bounces the ball back to me. JB's a shooter, but I'm as sneaky and silky as a snake, and you thought my hair was long? I'm 6 feet, all legs. Oh, wow, did you see that nasty crossover? Now you see why they call me filthy. Folks, I hope you got your tickets because I'm about to put on a show. Crossover. A noun. A simple basketball move in which a player dribbles the ball quickly from one hand to another. As in, when done right, a crossover can break an opponent's legs. Ankles. As in, Deron Williams' crossover is nice, but Allen Iverson's crossover was so deadly he could have set up his own potatory practice. As in, Dad taught me how to give a soft cross first to see if your opponent falls for it, then hit him with the hard crossover. The show. A quick shoulder shake, a slick eye fake. Number 20 is way past late. He's reading like a book, but I turn the page and watch him look, which can only mean I got him shook. His feet are the bank and I'm the crook. Breaking, taking him to the left, now he's took. Number 14 joins in, now he's on the hook. I got 2 in my kitchen and I'm fixing to cook. Prepping my meals, ready for glass. Nobody's expecting filthy to pass. I see Vondi under the hoop, so I serve him my alley-oop.